Alright, what's going on, guys? We're gonna be installing some carbon fiber trim pieces and a different shape knob for my car because the stock one is nasty. A kilo of cocaine.
I got him this for the car.
It goes on with 3M tape.
And I got him this for the car too.
This goes where the shifter's in. Shifter.
And it has this too.
Automatic.
Psych! Talk to me. Automatic, nigga. Automatic.
And
This the one right here.
a new shift knob that looks like a clown nose.
But it's flat. Cause it's fine. Compared to this nasty ass no, and then this one you're gonna push it down. Instead of this. So we're gonna try to install all the trim pieces and all that. And what I got you. You look pretty.
This phone
Yes, sir.
and
Yes,
cake.
sir.
there's a little one too.
Yeah. Some big boy shit now. Alright, so I don't know if we're gonna like record all of this because we're probably gonna be struggling to install this. But it comes with some instructions that we don't need because we're professionals. But yeah, I guess we'll just see what parts we record and try to make a little video out of it. Alright guys. We fucked up. No, I fucked up. I fell in there. Thank you. And we're trying to get it out a little screw. What are you doing, babe?
Wrapping this for protection.
The ball?
Yeah.
They didn't say to wrap this?
No.
Oh.
There's this for doesn't get damaged, sir.
Oh, that don't matter then.
See the picture?
Yeah. I thought it meant this because it was circled in there.
No, dude.
Yeah, that doesn't matter. Okay, so we're gonna be installing the carbon fiber part right here now since we have the whole trim piece out. Alright, so we're gonna be putting on the little PRNGs automatic shit.
Hey, that's mine.
Alright, let's see what's up.
Other one.
Okay.
Is right?
Yes.
You gonna hold it down?
That's what I'm doing. This far.
One piece done. Beautiful.
Nice.
That's fine. Why am I dirty? Yep.
You gotta hold that one down because it's a little bent. Perfect.
Is it? I think so. I think it's as perfect as it gonna be. Yeah, look. This is gonna look so far.
What's that for you, babe?
My girlfriend. Freaking comes. Okay, anyway, so 2 parts installed.
Now we gotta finish putting this shift off. Yes, we just gotta take off the tape off now.
You screwed it in?
Yeah.
The other one?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
I was trying to record that.
Oh, okay. Let me act like I'm doing something.
All I hear is you banging on the plastic. First things first.
What?
We gotta see if it works before we clip anything back in.
Oh, okay. I guess it didn't work. It's not turning on? Why not?
It says start brake and I'm on the brake.
Why is it not starting? Not even with the key? Probably that's why. That's why. Bang! Okay, finish doing it and then we're done because it was all the way on the S.
Yeah, it works. Wait, you can sport, drive, neutral.
This shit is all unfocused. Wait. Okay, yeah.
Reverse, neutral, drive, sport.
Yes, sir. Okay, finish this all in. And then leave this so you can reveal it.
What should we do about this stuff? Where that is?
Put some glue, some tape. Okay.
Get some focus.
As you can see, it's a whole new car. That looks cool, right?
Yeah. Where's the ugly one? Compared to like this shit. What the fuck is this? That shit's so ugly. This shit a gun.
You want some lotion?
Why aren't you saying that?
There went.
Anyways, guys, so this is the final look result of the carbon fiber and the shift knob that we put on. Well, as you can see,
It's real carbon fiber.
yeah, it's real carbon fiber. Looks nice. Made the interior pop a little bit.
Ah, it didn't break.
Yeah, but I mean, it looks good for.
It didn't break it.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're recording this like a month after we shot that first part of the video.
Yeah. Some people said that it was ugly, but y'all should let us know what you think.
Okay. I think it looks great. It looks cool.
Yeah.
Makes it stand out more. It's like subtle, but like it's fine. Like you can't really like notice till like you look at it. Or this fat ass shit you can, but you know, that's it.
It's not too much.
Yeah, it's not too much. But yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like.
Okay, that's the best one.
Leave a like. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one.